Good afternoon and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's vlog for today. Today it's the 29th of January, a nice sunny afternoon, better than it was this morning. I've had to wait until this afternoon as it was chucking it down here in Sheffield, but now it's a lot nicer and brighter, as you can see in the sun in the background. So this morning I passed my time by going to Wilkinson's, which is a huge mistake. I've bought absolutely loads, which you'll be able to see later on in this vlog. As you can see, 3 big bagsfuls, but let's see what we've got. First lot of stuff I've bought is for the birds. I was talking about this in my profile earlier, that I want to start getting more wildlife onto my plot, and as you can see I've got a good selection. Hopefully this will attract the birds onto my plot to keep all the insects eaten. But yeah, I'm excited about this, and hopefully I'll get something living in my bird box. So I just need to get all these up now. Well, I've got my bird house up, my seeds. I popped them in the tree for the time being. Fat balls. Popped a couple on my cooking apple tree. Pop one next to the birdhouse, hopefully it'll attract him. Yes, so I'm looking forward to getting some wildlife down here. Hopefully eventually I'll get a proper bird table made. I might pop it in this spot here, plenty of room, and get a little bird bath. To show you what I bought at Wilkinson's. Lots of garlic and all them seeds. Looks like it's going to be a busy year. See if I can grow them all, but we'll give it a shot. I purchased all these flower plants, hopefully to add a bit of colour into the allotment and get the bees buzzing round. You've got to encourage the bees onto your site, so I've been told. Good for pollination. So yeah, certainly going to be busy. All I've got to do now is sort them all out into planting times and get them ready. A lot of them I'll be starting next month, hopefully. A bit too cold still at the moment. So yeah, I've just got to sort them all out into the months and get them ready for planting. They're the best part of the year, apart from the harvest. So now I'm going to show you planting potatoes. I'll also put this into a separate vlog so that you can follow it more easier, so that it's not just in this vlog, so that it's easy to search on YouTube as well. So yeah, here's my tips on what I do for planting potatoes and chitting them. So these are the potatoes that I bought this year, just 1 bag full, that should do me. And also, as you can see, I've got plenty of egg boxes. I'll show you what I'm using them for in 1 second. So, as you can see with my potatoes, they've not got many sputs on them yet. I've just bought them today. What you need to do is, the best off option is to get an egg box. What you're wanting to do, you're wanting to put the eyes, which are these bits up here, to the top of the egg box, so that they're facing up, so that they're sprut easy enough up there. So you find out where most of the eyes are and you put them into the top. If you've not got egg boxes, you can use obviously seed trays, the ones that you can pot plants into, so that they spread out a bit like egg boxes, because you're not wanting the potatoes to touch each other, you wanted them to keep separate. So yeah, you just continue putting these potatoes into your egg box until you've filled it up. So once you've filled it up, it should look something like that, like as if you were buying eggs, but obviously filled with potatoes. So you just continue that until you've done all your potatoes. So now I've done all my potatoes. Got them all in the egg boxes, all faced up, so that the eyes are facing up, so that they can sprout quite easy. Those are the mate that I've got this year. We'll see how we get on with them. You'll be able to follow my next steps later on planting them outside, and there is a way that you can do it so that you don't have to dig trenches, and I'll show you that. So then is just pop them somewhere dry, just so that they can start growing, ready for planting out, which will be in about a month and a half. Soon I'll be giving some tips on how I plant my onions. I don't plant them straight into the ground. I start them off elsewhere, but I'll be going through that on my video blog soon. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. I really can't wait for the birdies to find the food and start eating them. It'll be great to see the birds down here while I'm on the plot. We've already got the robin, just need to attract a few more. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Tomorrow's job, if it's decent, will be clearing the middle bit of my plot out, and then at the weekend sorting out all my strawberry beds, get them all ship shape ready for growing, and then I should be halfway there. I hope you've enjoyed my video for today, giving advice on my potatoes and also on the more wildlife that I'm going to be adding to the plot. Do you get much wildlife down on your allotment site? If so, let me know what you get. A massive thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you come back and keep watching my videos and seeing my progress through this year down on the allotment. I also want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far. I've got over 100 now. I reached the 100 mark at the weekend, so please hit the subscribe button. Let's see if I can get up to 200. I was very surprised at 100, but yeah, I hope you subscribe to the channel and get the notifications when new videos are posted. I'm also on Facebook. I've got a Facebook page, it's called the Yorkshire Gardener. Please like it on there. I post questions, just other photos of what I've been doing, so you can keep up to date via that as well. So yeah, find me on Facebook, the Yorkshire Gardener, and also I'm on Instagram. Feel free to find me on there, called the Yorkshire Gardeners. They couldn't have the Yorkshire Gardener, it must have already been taken, so the Yorkshire Gardeners. Yeah, and I post photos on there as well, so feel free to find me and like it on there. Thank you for watching this week's video.